guys, it's Sophia, and today I'm going to show you Skylanders here. These are me and Luke's Skylanders. So let's open it up, and I'll show you what Skylanders we have. So we have this gigantic case here, and so I'm going to show you guys what Skylanders we have here. So let me open this case up. This is how you open it. Just rip it out here, you guys. So I'm opening the case here. And so I don't know, the Skylander's names. So here's our first Skylander. And here's a swap Skylander. This little, stunk here. Hi, guys. I'm going to stunk you up. So we have this guy here. Gonna set him down right here. Set him down. And our next Skylander is, I picked this guy. He's like the vomit barf guy or something. I have no idea what this guy's name is. But he looks like he has little, is that like a lava thing or something? Oh, and he has a fire flaming thing. Now this guy over here, he is a leaf. Don't know if you guys can see that. But he's a leaf here. And so we have these two guys. So we have an octopus and this cupcake guy or whatever he is. So he's one of my favorites. We also have this. I'm going to put it back here. Oh, and this cupcake guy fell. So we have Luke over here with us. And we have this guy. Shark fingers. Finger guy. We have this guy. Cha-chow. Over there. We have this Skylander swap. So the Skylander swap is you can take it off. Hey Luke, can you turn it all the way down, please? So you can take it off. And this guy is a Skylander swap. So you can take him off. And you can swap them like that. Swap. So I'm not going to keep them like that. And so we have this guy. And those are those are some of our Skylanders, you guys. So, peace. Now let's look at the Skylanders here. So we have this guy here. Those are all the Skylanders we have here right now. And we have this guy. All those Skylanders. Ooh! Wow, wipe out. We have this dragon guy. This little thing. We have this cool guy here. This girl. Really cool. These two figures we have here. So she's like a shield girl or whatever. And we have these two. And
guys, we have Xbox.
These two. And last but not least, this one. So, bye guys.